About 2 months ago, I moved into this booth space. When I said it, it was really the only design I could really come up with in my mind for the furniture that I had. But now that I've been there, I think it's time to move some furniture around. Plus, I have all the items I just thrifted that need to be added to the store. So we're gonna go do a mini reset and add in the new things. Luckily that came together last minute because I didn't know what I was gonna do. This is the exact plan I had for the chair. I am gonna go ahead and leave the baskets. I think that it's a good color combination, but also Easter is coming up, so hopefully people are interested in baskets. I can't believe everything fit. I am so excited to see all of the new items in here. Hopefully this gets a lot of attention this weekend. Here is what everything looks like. There are a few things that have definitely been here for a while, like this lantern. I've had it on the ground quite a bit. Hopefully by bringing it up onto the table, somebody might pick it up. This table has been here since I moved in, so hopefully that moves. And I'd love to see someone grab this chair so that I can bring other furniture in. But that really does it for today. I'm first of all running out of time and I need to take some pictures for Facebook. If you have any recommendations on what I should put in the booth next, make sure you leave a comment. Every time I come here and put new items in, all I want to do is go shopping. So let me know what I should be looking for. We'll see you next time. This is going to be my first time going to the Goodwill bins. Well, that was an experience. I actually passed a Habitat Restore on my way. I'm gonna go back to that store and see what they have.
Thank you. You too.